So here we are, December 31st, 2017, the end of a one-year science experiment dedicated to facial neglect. This is my one-year beard, otherwise known as a yeard, I found out. At 6 months, I was complaining about some of the disadvantages of having a long beard. Zippers are still on the list for sure, but I've added a couple of other things. Wild animals, looking for nesting materials, machines like food processors and paper shredders, and the worst of all is bar fights. But there are some advantages of having a one-year beard, and here's some of them. Why, yes, I qualify for every discount. Three of those will make a fishing line. Yes. Hello, yes. Oh, you are? Oh, thank you. Well, I'm a druid, and you may have a leaf. Ever since about August, I've had a new perspective. Everything just looks more festive. Oh, look at those festive bananas. And that persimmon. Coffee has never looked better. And even the dishes are more special. So when you're in the out of doors, it's important to be aware of your surroundings. For example, there's a small breeze today and you probably see my beard just wiggling a little bit. If there was a stronger wind, it would be waving more. If it was to the side and wet, that probably means there's a strong storm coming up. If it's going back and forth, those are large gusts. And if I'm screaming and blow off the side of the cliff, that probably means it's a hurricane and it's time for you to vacate the premises. Any questions? New holiday crafts. Shampoo. Probably the best thing of a long beard is getting extra attention from your family. Ouch! So there you go. A year dedicated to science through facial neglect. It's been a good year. I hope you've benefited from the data I've collected. It's not an experience I would recommend to everyone, but it has been a good learning experience, and I can't wait till the next experiment.